Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best magnetic stirrers available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the JOANLAB magnetic stirrer. The first thing that caught my attention was the durable material used in this device. The combination of aluminum and ceramic coated plates not only gives it a robust feel but also ensures easy cleaning, which is a huge plus when working in a fast-paced lab environment. After several uses, I noticed that the ceramic coating was resistant to stains and chemical spills, making maintenance simple. What I really loved about this hot plate is the digital display and the ability to control both temperature and stirring speed with precision. The clear digital interface allowed me to adjust the settings quickly and accurately, which is essential when dealing with sensitive chemical reactions. Unlike traditional manual hot plates, where you had to eyeball the temperature, the real-time feedback on the screen gave me full control over the process. If heating efficiency is what you're after, the high heating power of this magnetic stirrer will not disappoint. I tested the 5L model, which heats up to 350, and it was able to achieve the desired temperature much faster than other models I've worked with in the past. At number 2 is the VEVOR 1000 ml 3000 megaliters electric magnetic stirrer. The first thing I noticed was its versatility in terms of capacity. The VEVOR magnetic stirrer comes in 2 models, a 1000 megaliters and a 3000 megaliters version. Both are impressive in their own right. The heating power differs between the two, with the 1000 megaliters model consuming 80 W and the larger 3000 megaliters model requiring 500 W. This difference in power output ensures that both models heat quickly and uniformly. The motor power is equally impressive, 10 W for the smaller model and 20 W for the larger one, ensuring a strong stirring action even at higher volumes. One of the standout features of this VEVOR stirrer is its ceramic magnetic stir plate. The ceramic build doesn't just heat up quickly, it also heats uniformly, which is essential in experiments where even temperature distribution is critical. I was particularly impressed with its high temperature resistance, which allowed me to push the equipment to its limits without worrying about wear and tear. One of the best things about this stirrer is its dual functionality. Not only can you heat solutions, but you can also stir them simultaneously, which saves me a lot of time during experiments. The large heating area is another highlight, providing fast warm-up and ensuring that the temperature is evenly distributed throughout the solution. At number 3 on our list is the JOANLAB 1L 1600 revolutions per minute magnetic stirrer. One of JOANLAB's standout products is the magnetic stirrer hot plate, which I've had the pleasure of using extensively. It's a versatile piece of equipment that combines both a magnetic stirrer and a hot plate, which makes it perfect for experiments requiring both stirring and heating. First, the device can handle up to 1 liter of liquid, which is more than enough for most of my experiments. Whether I'm working with small samples or larger solutions, it's more than capable of handling the workload. The unit comes with a magnetic stir bar, which facilitates consistent and smooth mixing. I've found that it works particularly well with both water-based solutions and more viscous liquids. One of the features I appreciate most is the adjustable speed control, which allows me to set the stirring speed up to 1600 revolutions per minute. This flexibility is key when I'm working on experiments that require precise control over mixing speeds. Whether I need a gentle stir for sensitive reactions or a vigorous mix for dissolving solids, the stirrer delivers consistently. From a durability perspective, the JOANLAB magnetic stirrer hot plate is built to last. It's made with high-quality materials that can withstand the wear and tear of daily lab use. I've been using mine for several months now, and it's held up remarkably well, even with regular, intensive use. Moving up at number 4 is the INTLLAB magnetic stirrer. The first thing that caught my attention is the 316 stainless steel top plate. This isn't just a flimsy surface, it's corrosion resistant and designed to handle frequent use. I've used other magnetic stirrers in the past, and they often come with plastic tops that wear out or get scratched easily. The stainless steel plate on the INTLLAB stirrer not only looks sleek, but it's incredibly durable. This is particularly important if you're working in a laboratory or homebrew setting where spills are inevitable. The stainless steel makes it easy to clean and maintain over time. One of the standout features of this magnetic stirrer is its stirring capacity of up to 3,000 milliliters. For those of us who frequently deal with large volumes, this is a game changer. Whether you're preparing a homebrew yeast starter or mixing chemicals in a lab, this device can handle it all. I was particularly impressed when I used it for a 2-liter solution. The stirring remained consistent, and there were no signs of struggle. The magnetic stir bar held its place and effectively mixed the solution without any interruptions. At number 5 is the Shin Tester magnetic stirrer. The first thing I noticed about the Shin Tester magnetic stirrer was its compact size and lightweight nature, thanks to the integral injection molding process used in its design. This feature makes it easy to store and transport. It fits perfectly on my kitchen countertop without taking up too much space. Despite its small footprint, the stirrer is impressively sturdy. I felt confident using it for a range of applications without worrying about it tipping over or breaking. The construction quality of the Shin Tester is impressive. The panel is made from brushed 304 stainless steel, which not only looks aesthetically pleasing but also boasts strong anti-corrosion properties. This durability is crucial for me, as I often work with liquids that can be acidic or corrosive. One feature that I found particularly beneficial was the waterproof design of the shell. I tend to be a bit clumsy in the kitchen, and I've had my fair share of spills while stirring. With this magnetic stirrer, I no longer worry about liquid damage. The waterproof shell means I can clean it easily without any concern about harming the internal components. This convenience makes the Shin Tester a low-maintenance appliance in my kitchen. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.